Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have silver swag for April. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So April 2023 silver swag box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I love seeing what theme is going to be in there. So when we open it up, it says, "Hello April," nice and yellow, and it has a little lemon on it. When we cut the tape and we see inside, it says Taco Tuesdays. How freaking cute is that? Silver swag box, Taco Tuesdays. So that's the theme of this month. With this one, you always get two different cards. One of them will go over a little bit more information about the items in the box, and the other one gives you talking points. If you wanted to talk to somebody, it gives you some talking points just to spark a conversation, and it always goes around the theme for that month. So it's always exciting just to kind of read what they are, to see what they come up with. So it says, "Let's taco about it." We're divided on these taco night staples. Where do you stand? Warning, discuss these questions carefully to avoid your Taco Tuesday becoming a food fight. Is a taco a sandwich? Why or why not? Soft shells or crunchy? If you had to pick only one, tacos, burritos, or nachos? Ooh, I would probably say tacos or burritos for sure over nachos, but that's a tough one. I love Mexican food. That's like my favorite. And then Italian. So yeah. Best chip dip, salsa, guacamole, or queso? I'm going to have to say salsa on that one. Fast food tacos, Mexican restaurant tacos, or homemade tacos? We don't really have good Mexican restaurants around here, so I would have to say here in Florida, homemade for sure. Back in California, Mexican restaurant, hands down. Refried beans or black? What is the best taco filling? Beef, fish, veggies, or something else? So those are some great talking points. Again, don't get in a fight and throw your food when you're doing it. That's so cute. So Taco Tuesdays, what's inside the box? Let's see. I do see this really cute sticker right on top. So let's just go ahead and talk about this one first. Let's taco about this one first. Live every day like it's Taco Tuesday. Oh my gosh, that is super, super cute. And if you guys follow me, you know I absolutely love stickers. I collect stickers. So this definitely is gonna go somewhere where I can see it because that is super cute. And I love Taco Tuesday. Yes. Yes. Does it say anything about this guy on here though? Yes, it does. It says Kulana? Kulana stickers. Taco sticker. Live every day like it's Taco Tuesday with this waterproof and dishwasher safe vinyl sticker. So that is super cute. Now we have, there's like some candy right on top. It says, "Can't touch this," with little cactuses on it. Holy guacamole, it's fiesta time. How freaking cute that these go with the taco theme. This one says, "No time to siesta. We've got to fiesta." Oh my gosh, that is super, super cute. And I think these are little mints that are down in here. That's what they feel like. But those are super, super cute with the theme. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay, so let's see what we have right on top of this. It says weekend night cheesy taco skillet. Ooh, wait a minute. This has everything in it? There's pasta, there's seasoning. Looks like they have like everything down in there. Huh. Cheesy taco skillet. Sensational skillets, everyday gourmet, low sodium, that's awesome. No artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no MSG. What do? It says from your pantry, you will need 1 pound of cooked and drained ground meat, turkey, chicken, or Italian sausage, 24-ounce chicken stock, 14.5 ounce tomato sauce, and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And then it gives you the simple instructions. I'm so excited to make this. Yep. I don't know if I'm going to use turkey meat or ground beef or chicken. I'm not quite sure, but I'm definitely going to make this probably this week or next week. It says ready in 30 minutes. I'm super excited. This right here says Davis and Davis. Weekend night cheesy taco skillet kit. Have Taco Tuesday any night of the week with 1 skillet and a few added ingredients. Ready in less than 30 minutes. So there's that. And again, it has everything in it. Low sodium, so I'm super excited to try that out. And anything that resembles or tastes or has like the seasoning with the tacos, I'm all for. So I'm super excited. Next we have we have a little treat. This is Hammond's Cinnamon Churro Marshmallows. Soft, spiced, and sweet. And oh my gosh, this feels like just fresh marshmallows. Super soft. That is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. So this one here says Hammond's Cinnamon Churro Marshmallows. 1 bite of these treats will make you sing "Churro I Need." Churro I need, like a churro. So it's like churro I need. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. So there is your treat. In this box, you always get kind of one type of a treat, which I really love seeing what's in there. They're always super good. So I can't wait to try out that. Up next we have, oh my gosh, it says it's Tuesday somewhere. This is super cute. Is this just like a plushie or what are you? Let me open this and see what this super cute Taco Tuesday situation is in here. It's like it has little beans in there. It's just like a little plushie. That is super adorable. It says Punchkins is, I guess, the brand of it. But oh my gosh, that is so cute. So for this one, it says it's Tuesday somewhere plush. Let's talk about how cute this plushie is, reminding us that delicious tacos are never too far away. That's super cute, especially if you're gonna do Taco Tuesday night. You could always set this on your table. That is adorable. That's how you're gonna know tacos are coming for dinner tonight. I'm gonna set this out on the counter and then my man will know what is for dinner. That is so cute. Have you ever seen a taco plushie before? I have not, but that is super cute. Just got to keep it away from Vienna so she doesn't think it's one of her toys. All right, you guys, so it looks like there's 1 item still left in this box and it's wrapped in this bubble wrap. So let's see what's inside of it. It's carefully protected, that's for sure. It says Chunky Dunk and Skinny Dip. Oh my gosh. I always say I don't skinny dip, I chunky dunk. So that is absolutely hilarious. So it's like you have 2 little dip containers that you can use, or you can put your condiments, you can put cheese, sour cream, lettuce, tomato. You can put little things in here to make or build your tacos. But that is just the cutest thing. Skinny dip and chunky dunk. I think it's even more fun because I always say I chunky dunk. So that's so cute to me. And I do really like that these are nice and small. You can use them for anything and they're super cute. It says Magnolia Lane Dip Bowl Set. These bowls are perfect for every chip and dip, whether you like to skinny dip or chunky dunk. That is so cute. Okay, so now that is everything for the April box. It is totally all about taco themed, super cute. I'm loving everything in this box. So a quick recap, you have the 2 bowl set, which has the cutest saying inside, which I love. You have your cinnamon churro marshmallows. You have this skillet meal to make a Taco Tuesday skillet, which that sounds amazing, or any night of the week, not just Tuesday. You have this It's Tuesday Somewhere plush. You have a sticker, and then you have these little treats. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the April box. Again, I think this is super, super cute. I am totally loving the theme. Plus, I absolutely love tacos, so I'm all for it. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the theme this month? What do you think of the items that they put in the box? Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you $15 off your very first box if you are interested. They will all be linked down below. Send love and stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. What's inside? Each box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Boxes include fun activities, daily use personal care items, conversation cards, household items, home gadgets, monthly themed snacks, personal care items, and more. So if you would like to just do month per month, it is $49.99. For the month per month, there is a $5 shipping charge for US only. You are able to customize your dietary preferences on your order confirmation page. So when you do sign up, you get to tell them that, which I think is amazing. If you want to save some money, 6 months will bring it down to $47.49, and then you get free US shipping. 12-month plan brings it down to $44.99 per box, and you get free US shipping with that too. So the 6 and the 12 month, you do get free shipping, and then the month per month, it's a $5 US shipping charge for it. And these boxes are normally really big and full, so $5 shipping is amazing. I know I can't ship anything like that for $5, so there you go. Orders placed between the 1st and the 10th will receive the current box. Orders received after the 10th will receive the following month's box. Again, everything will be linked down below, and SheCrafty will get you $15 off your very first box. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.